Welcome on YouTube, and we're back with another video. We're back with the review as we promised in the last video, or whichever video that one is. So guys, we're here to give a review on Bodyscape Rejuvenation Center. I think that's the proper name. The full proper name. Yes, so we're gonna give you our experience, what we thought about the place, how we felt, the whole, you know, the whole what you call it, ambience, and the whole treatment and stuff, and each treatment, how it actually was, how we felt about it, and if it's something actually worth spending money on, the cost and all those stuff.
And as you can see, the memory fresh now it, because at the same day we just want to throw it out there.
Alright guys, so first we want to talk about like when we directly went in there. Yes, so it's a small location in Portmore Sovereign Village, Sunshine Plaza to be exact. So you have Sovereign Village, right on the bottom, that's a Sunshine Plaza. And this place, the location itself, remember say just a little shop on the plaza, but I think it's quite sufficient for what they need to be done. You have separate rooms for the different treatments. You have a separate room for the facial, separate room for the massage, pedicure, if you had a manicure, separate rooms for all of these stuff. And we did a him and her package because I mean it's my birthday, yes, but I wanted to do it with Orin as well. So that was perfect for us to do the him and her. And
I thoroughly enjoyed myself.
Trust me, as we go into the review and get some B-roll, people, you will understand. I mean, if you had watched the other vlog, you'll see some of that as well, but this you actually like hear what we were thinking and feeling through all of that. Alright, so first we did the pedicures, right? Lovely. For me, let me tell you my experience. For me, I had a wonderful time with my, what do you call it, pedicurist?
I don't know, but it sounds like it fits.
You know, my foot technician, yes, she did a very wonderful job. I don't anybody will be watching it because we make sure say no, because we never want them to say, yo, you can't post this. So we nobody said nothing until I did want to say something.
But we're going back, so we're going to tell them next time.
So guys, with my foot, I actually have issues recently with ingrown toenails, and trust me, this woman went the extra mile. She was just doing a pedicure. She went in my foot and tried her best to take out some of these ingrown toenails. She took her time with it. She was very detailed with my treatment. But so with my foot, God knows, I mean, Orin never for try show me the video and man with my foot across the but mama go in deep and go for the purple brush, and the purple brush doesn't rub down everything.
So people, see the girl go for the small one and go so like she look at them, see she put it one side and then she drop one purple brush. Me I said, Jesus, then see she gets up and start. You just see Shanika, the dead skin them just like gunshot all over the place while my little girl with my foot just don't take a little nice time and go so because there's nothing to remove.
I like orange the build up in beer gunk.
It's not no
cuticles or whatever. I mean my foot bottom had it, but in an orange to them film on it in there. So but guys, like I said, she went the extra mile with the pedicure. She dealt with my ingrown toenail problem, and she's saying that she can probably take out the other one that is probably buried deeper. So I'm planning to go back probably within 2 weeks time. So she was very good. Tashoni, I hope I'm not saying her name wrong, but if you're going, you can definitely ask for her. Well, at least per my review, or talk about the other, foot technician, manicurist.
Alright, so my foot technician, I don't know the proper term for what they do, but yeah, she told me to take off my shoes, dip my foot in some warm water with little bubbles in it. I did love that. The water did blue. I love that. Love that for me. So I put my foot in there now, water warm and nice, and girl say, put foot up yourself. So I take off my foot them and shake them and forth them, and she deal with them because I did have some, as Shadika try embarrass me, so I did have some whole heap of cuticles, and now me really look at it now, them gone, for real, none of did it. So she did a pretty good job. So if you ever go to Bodyscape and you want to do your tour, candies.
Especially if you're a man, I guess, because
especially if you're a male, don't feel like say man no go at them places with them toe and them finger.
We see the I think
you stay there one man.
I think he's the, I'm not gonna call the place name, but there's a next store on the block. I think he's probably the owner, the manager of there. Man come early before him she start and do a toe and finger.
So
yes, man look nice and clean.
Don't feel like say a woman alone with them something. They go do your face.
Let me tell you this.
Take out the gunk out of your foot and stop tear the sheet when night come with a big foot.
Let me tell you this.
Take care of your body. Sorry, Shalika.
Let me tell you, that's definitely a sign for say you is a man that for one, you know, you follow your body, but two, it also show a man say you have little money. Exactly. If you never have money, you couldn't spend on this, something that you couldn't have the little luxurious thing. And them cheap enough people. Sometimes look how money you take to spend for buy one old people pop down shirts. You can take it and spend for yourself, make you feel nice.
Make your body feel nice.
Nice.
Yeah, so that was my pedicure experience. It nice and everything. Make them 5 stars for my pedicure. It did nice. So
Tashoni and Candice, big up on yourself. And they do a wonderful job on our feet.
Yeah.
Alright, so on to the next one now, which is the facial.
For my facial experience now. What was the girl name again? Julissa. Julissa was a master with her hands when it comes to my face because me have some white head and some old black head on my face. And when Julissa get the natural products and she rub up my face like a flower she need, my girl. No see it, don't it? She deal with me nice and proper, I like that. Then when she done put on them something that she use the warm sponge or whatever it was, clean off my face, feel nice and everything. She come in with the steam. And when girl come in with the steam now, it bubble up the pores, you know, bubble up the pores and then bubble up my pores. You can see me enjoy myself, I like it. So when she do that now, she clean up my face, but Julissa did rough bad man. But I guess my face did call for that little roughness because I had a lot whitehead and blackhead where it have to come out. And to be honest, when she finished, I'm gonna go up on my face. Where them there? Yes, and some my full potential come out now. So Shadi can go watch me on road with other girls because I'm a gloria now. Girl, I'm gonna say, Jesus, who is that? So yes, that was my facial experience. Big up yourself, Julissa. You did an amazing job and I like it. What was your facial experience with Julissa, Shadi? Yeah, so
I had Julissa as well. Honestly, it is real chill. It coming like just the conversation them over there. It just seem like, you know, my friend say, alright, she come do my face for me.
Yeah, she was good.
Yeah, with the conversation then we'll have after if I record. Ask if I can record some, and she's like, yes, some. I'm say, yeah, man, I must say some. I kind of get in and look at the recording phone as in could I say, but for my face, I'm not telling a lie. For me, she did very like, you know, soft to me. She did smooth. I remember me to go this other facial place. 2 other ones, as a matter of fact, most of people them done my face. But them done my face. My face gets up.
Like them tongue to tongue.
I said, they're rough. I said, that's why you see when I finished, I had to ask her, is it a case where I didn't have as much whitehead because she was very, she very, delicate with the situation for me. My face never have a crab out, so it never have a crab out. And like, after that, my face definitely smooth. She identified that I had oily skin, which of course is 100% true. She was talking and she knew her things them. And I loved, what I loved? I should have asked her about it. I love that mask that she had put on my face. It smells so good. It was tingly.
The sweet one.
The yellow meant something. It is nice. I did love that. But some old girl, the girl there talked to me like me and her friend for a long time.
She talked to me so too. She's nice.
She taught me into getting my eyebrows done, right? Me go there for just do look a nice face and the other 2 things them. My girl says, you not think about the eyebrow yet. Some say, alright, how much feet? She tell me, some say $1,000. Some say, alright, I can't spare that for wax. Come and tell her, say, one time I ever wax my eyebrow. My girl said, why? Some say, I guess most time I just go to like shaving. My girl said, excuse me, we're in the 21st century, ladies. No, exactly.
Back up with that.
Exactly, my girl said that. And so I was like, alright, me spirit will come on here and come through with the face. And she do it, the eyebrow them not look too bad, people. Too bad. If I'm supposed to do my face, no problem with the brows. They've already carved out for me. Nice. So guys, if so far and I listen to the review and I enjoy it and I have not seen the actual like vlog experience, go and watch it, please. Moving on.
I'm going to do my best to make it pop up here. Before we move on, I wanted to say that like everybody there, they were warm and friendly, not just pinpointing one person. Everybody there, even the manager, she was very friendly. And then when we are going, we know say I should one of the managers.
I said, they are good. They say, wait.
See me? I look on the wall and look on her, but we don't make it obvious. So what?
Me did want to ask her name because her name was there. So I say, I can have any, generally, you just ask for them name to say you can come back and ask for that person. But I never did it. But I said, no, I just make it stay. I made it stay. I said, it look like she. I look on the nose to say, yeah, man, that I want good pill sign.
Yeah. Everybody there very friendly, very raw, very warm. So if you go there and you have never been to a spa before, they will make you feel welcome, comfortable. If a 3 packages you do as you go through, when you go through and do one and come back in the waiting area, them say, so how was it? Was it nice? And they make you feel welcome and
I must say, people, on that note of being welcome and nice, but not in a lie, come sit down. Well, or in the day, because there's only, we did pretty much a couple's treatment, and it's for the facial, it was only one room, right?
So
it's small.
I beat up my face and
right?
Shadika, tell them what going.
I say, I just hear, happy birthday to you, a tray of wine and wine for you. Like, I say, yes. I said, no, I'm going to get a little video of this kind of, so I can't believe I'm going to feel nice. I feel nice. I said, oh God, that's so nice. If I look at wine for wait a while, in there doing face, you not even feel all that, cumbersome on this. I'm like, yes, sip.
I mean, there, me, I hear the happy birthday. I said, what up? Me then they would when she do my face, me then with the phone, so I get like a video, me only happy. I say, what going out there, so? And then it's like the girl that was in my face, she abandoned me. I'm dancing happy birthday. Me I said, no man, what could have caused this?
Oh my gosh.
But yeah.
That was amazing, guys. But to the final, this part of our, treatment, the massages or the massage.
The massage.
Alright, so first guys, it was kind of scheduled. They were saying that we're supposed to get a warm bamboo treatment, which I thought would have been so intriguing, especially to show you guys. But actually we got a hot stone treatment, which when I spoke to the manager afterwards, she was saying it's pretty much the same thing. It's just that their office in Portmore didn't have like the bamboos, the one in Maypen had. They have 2 locations. So it's pretty much the same thing. It's just that instead of bamboos, stones were used on us. So I'm gonna orient talk about him here first because he enjoyed it better than I think anybody in life could ever enjoy a massage. Go on, babes.
Yeah, as Shadika said, me enjoy myself. Me enjoy myself because nobody never like professionally rub down my body. So when I go in now and them say like if I take off my shirt, so I say I just my shirt, if I take off my take off my pants too. So then I say no man, just the shirt, take off the shirt, Shadika come in and we'll lay down and so. Come now. Girl squeeze some scented oil in her hand. What was the girl name?
Mine?
Yeah, the girl
with my toe?
Yeah.
Tashoni.
Yes, she gave me my massage. And one thing with them is like they know everything. So if you see the nail tech, she know how to do massage and she probably know how to do face as well. So everybody there, them can do everything. But when the girl put the hand on her, she goes so, me I said Jesus. And then she goes so again, me I said ooh.
I said literally no, he said them. He said
I said that.
Guys, if you know watch the video, go and watch it, man. I miss up on some that day, I miss up on it, man.
And people, it was amazing. And then when she done, she heat up her hand and then she come me, I said, yeah man, because her hand warm now. Only if you find when my girl like drop the stone, me I say whoa. Then she do something with her hand with the stone, move it across my back in one little motion, rub it down and so forth. It was a good experience. nah, like, I fully enjoyed myself. Shadika experience with the hot stone massage is a bit different from mine, so I'm gonna make sure you explain that.
Honestly, I thought it was a good massage and good experience, but I was tense about everything. I don't know why. I don't know if I was overthinking, because before we actually started the massage, we were kind of nervous. I had asked her if we could record the process, like just each other camera somewhere. She said sure, and then she came in trying to assist us, and she's like saying, well, I'm not sure if it's going to show you guys right there. So, and then she asked us if we were YouTubers. I was scared because I don't want it to be a case where she's like, okay, we can't record because we don't want it to post it up. I mean, I jumped in same time to say, yo, we don't have to post it if that's that case, but I really would love to just record it for myself. Honestly, I love watching those videos. Don't call me a creep, but I like watching them. So if it was from a personal thing, I would like that. But I don't know if that was the thing in my head, or I was scared that eventually we're gonna be like, oh, we can't post this. I don't know if it's the case because the stone them didn't burn out at. Sometimes if you wanna watch the video, we're probably gonna hear me and say, no man, I want to at. No, me feel it one day. So I don't know if the whole experience of like the first few stones were hot, where I'm kind of just tense up because I was expecting probably more hot stones. I mean, I know, I feel somebody in my head.
The stones were hot, but the way I hold them do it, like the first stone, it did shock me. But after the first stone, I expected all of them to be at that temperature. So when she come in again, I already expected it never shock me that much. At one point, me little bit drop asleep.
I heard them come to me, not come to me. I heard them at the little section because I was where probably the little stove was for the hot stones. I heard something about like sleeping. And I heard like a little laugh of oiling. So I get up and I look so. And I said, boy, please tell me that boy gonna shame me and start snoring.
And that is a one snore wake me up.
Please don't tell me that he's gonna embarrass me.
Because lay down there now, I said, woo, this feels good. I'm like, out and around me only go. And it wake me up, so probably that's what they were talking about.
Well, I'm here looking something, and say, Jesus, that boy gonna embarrass me.
But I like to be pampered. It's relaxing
yes,
to me. I like to be catered.
Yes, I know that.
That's just me. At one point, my foot them drop asleep to all my top half did I get pampered. My foot them said, this is an hour show. I could come out of the picture. It was a good experience, guys. I loved it. Like the place set up itself. It's small, in there small, but it no. Shock up, make you feel like in our box. That's not the case. It's very good. The way they utilize, especially the receptionist area where you have to wait to get your things done. It's very good, and them do it. They're very timely people.
Guys, you don't understand how hesitant I am when it comes to spas, because the very first experience I had, I went to a spa when I was 20. See, I mean, up for my 20th birthday. I go mostly the day before, because my birthday was a Sunday, I go up on the Saturday. I pretty much spent the entire day waiting. Like, we went there from early. It was like a 9 o'clock appointment, or even 8. Let's say it's 9. I'm pretty sure we leave there. It was turning from like dusk. It was turning to dust. The place was getting dark. I said no, so for and it's not. I don't.
It's a popular spa in Jamaica.
Yes, it is. I don't think we did more than. I don't think we did more than the same. About same 4. I ended up doing 4 treatment. I think when I went there, I did a massage. I think it's probably full body though. I did a massage. I did a facial deep pore. I waxed my eyebrows, and I think my feet were done. So the same 4, and I spent the entire day there. I hated that about it. That the fact that I had to be waiting so long to actually start the first one, and then in between each and every one, it made it so miserable. And then we had to go. Yeah, I think one thing I like about Bodyscape, the fact that it was small, was even more helpful too. With the other place, I had to be going all over the place. Like sometimes I didn't even know if I'm at the right place for me. If I sit down and wait out a door, I have next door, I don't know if it's the right door. But that's no. And then when we go to the other place, the woman rough up, woman orange say never like it.
She rough up my face and I come out. Everything when they dip on my face are still there. But with Bodyscape, when the girl finished, I could actually see them. I go away. And when I come up, I go so now one big something did there, right? So it vanished. I don't know if the spot there is still, but the feel it gone. Up so gone. I'm good.
But so guys, my issue was this. Let me see if it's gone. My nose. When we went to the place early in this year, the woman left everything on my nose.
And safe for come
back. And this was one of the major reasons why I really wanted the facial. One of the major things I wanted to get out of the facial was to get the blackheads out of my nose, and she left them in there. We not see nothing no. This is what I wanted, a clear nose. And she wasn't, and then I was so surprised because with her, she never had to do no sucking or anything like that, and she did the same kind of push movement and them stuff there, and it wasn't even as rough as the first one. And it was, I don't know if I cause with her when we went up in early in the year. It was years before I did an next facial, and this would have been just like a few months afterwards. But still, she never touched my nose, so I don't know if it's a case where she actually had less work to do, or she was just better out at her technique. But anyways guys, I think we've been talking far enough. I hope you actually gain a good understanding of what to expect when you go to Bodyscape. We did enjoy our time there.
Fully joy.
Every time. As we went, I think Orion said it earlier, as we went through every stages, they asked how we're enjoying it. Even I was just sitting in the waiting room, the receptionist was asking me about it. And so it was really good and interactive. Communication was there, making you feel nice and warm. I kind of don't know if we met the massage woman. They feel, massage therapist, they feel away. Look, actually, they kind of feel away. No, I didn't get her name.
Her name is the only name we never
I get, yes. I don't know.
Anyways, it's a brown girl at Bodyscape.
With her natural hair. I don't know if I made her feel away. I think she did a good job, but I was just really tense. I think she kind of did feel away because she was like, you didn't enjoy yourself, and she said like, you were tense through all of it. You were tense. I could see in her face like she probably did feel her, like she never do a good job or whatever. I mean, I don't know why I'm just sitting on my head, because she don't know that I'm a mad woman, so probably my mind is still preoccupied on things that never necessary.
But honestly, we enjoy ourselves. No cap.
Yeah, so it was a good experience. I would recommend you to go there. I think probably we'll go there one more time and try a different package or different like procedures or whatever next time we go there. But guys, that's the end of this review. We hope we got a good detailed understanding like we said. And please, if you're not subscribed, guys, please subscribe. If you want more travel, location, destinations which will be coming up, guys, subscribe and turn your bell on and make sure it is on in your settings as well. Alright guys,
so Bodyscape is the place to go if you want a good experience with facial,
wasn't time consuming at all,
pedicure, manicure,
and they finished before the estimated time. We got there before 11. And the time was
a little bit before 11.
I'm not sure. And the time was, it was given from 11 to 2:30. That was going to be our time frame, and we finished before 2:30. Like we left
2:15, 2:16.
Yeah, and we were waiting on a ride, and we left like the compound at 2:36. So we really finished before our time.
So they are very timely people. If you work with their time, you will not be disappointed. So yeah guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Orion and Shadika forever. I know you guys watch the video, we know you love them and we know you love us. So please subscribe.
And also follow us at our Instagram at Orion and Shadika, my business page at The Wig Factor, and Orion's business page at the OG Tech Store. So guys, please continue to watch and support by giving us a thumbs up, and subscribing and watch the ads, guys, and sharing it to your loved ones. Anyways guys, that's enough. Bye guys.